I use the term loosely. As you just saw, got up this morning, topped off the primary trans, topped off the oil tank. Didn't show it on video, but the battery positive to the starter wire was green and corroded, so I made up a new wire and stuck it in there. Changed the battery grounding strap too because it was kind of chewed up. But yeah, off of the lift, out the door, and it started right up. And you know what? The clutch worked great. Trans worked great. It ran good. This one is done. Put a fork in it. Anyway, that's really all I have to say about that. Oh, I know what else I had to say is this. Today is Friday. Owner told me he was coming on Monday, so I got this done with 2 days to spare. Now the owner tells me that he won't be here until Tuesday, which is fine. The starter relay that I ordered from a guy on eBay just because his listing said it would be here by Saturday, he lied. The part isn't going to show up until Monday. But anyway, now I could get the starter relay here if it does in fact show on Monday. Button this all up and call it 100% done. I am going to ask the owner, because some of you guys have liked in previous videos, whether or not he wants to be in one of these YouTube videos. So if the guy wants to do some talking to y'all on Tuesday and he comes pick the bike up, you'll see us again as part of this video. And if he doesn't, well then I am out of here. We'll see you for the next one. And the next one is right over there. Yeah, the Into Deep bike. It's coming. I want it out of here. I want to sell it. And before I sell it, I want to get it running in safe, drivable condition for the next guy. So be on the lookout for the videos on that bike coming soon. Hope to get the first one going in the next week or two. And like I say, object here is get that together enough to sell and get it sold. If you want to buy it right now, it's yours for $1,500. But anyway, I need it out of here. I need the space. I'm too crowded. There's too many motorcycles, too many engines laying around. Hey, take it easy. We'll see you later. Thank you all ever so much for watching. Men, if you like this channel and this content, the single most important thing you could do to help grow this channel is to hit the subscribe button. I also have new design coffee cups and stickers available. You know, I like the old coffee cups, but I like these new ones even more. Links are included in the description down below. And for those of you who really want to go the extra mile, you could join me on Patreon. Link is also included in the description down below. And to all of you who have watched these videos, I'd like to say thank you. Thank you very much. I really, really do appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Bye.